Kev, did you not get the brief?
What's that?
I said to you in the planning meeting, let's get a nice typical campervan, typical Volkswagen campervan. You've come back with a Sherman tank.
I like space. Nice big van, isn't it?
Big. We haven't had one of these in for a while, have we?
I haven't, have we? Usually when we get them, they're race vans, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah. We haven't even been inside.
No.
We went to go inside on another blog, but we haven't got the keys, so we didn't go inside it.
And I've not looked in the back.
Good. Volkswagen Crafter Trendline CR35 TDI, a long wheel base.
Called Frank.
Pardon?
Called Frank.
Who's Frank?
Yeah, Frank.
Frank, what's that?
I think that's for... Is that when you open the door all the way around?
Yes, look,
Yeah.
look. There. Just spotted something, Kev.
I like the colour.
True
I like the
heating.
two-tone.
Look how the paintwork.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the two-tone.
Yeah, I
I
do,
do
like.
like that. Yeah.
Now it's manual, it's 6-speed. Right. 3,900 kilograms. Oh, okay.
It will be.
Okay.
So you need to see one.
Yeah, 2 litre turbo diesel, 73,000 miles. It's 2.5 metres in height. I got it wrong. It's it's big van, 6.84 metres.
Yep.
That's a big van, Kev,
This is a big van.
isn't it? I'm just spotting down there,
Ah,
onboard LPG.
onboard LPG.
Hey, this is going to be interesting.
They're nice with the black windows, you know, aren't they?
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
You can nosy out and people can't see in.
So it's a 2017 with 73,000 miles on, Kev. This has got some kit on it. 2 lithium batteries, DC smart charger, AdBlue, Wolf Shield alarm, dash cam, tie down eyelets, gas strut cupboards, full off-grid conversion. My goodness, Kev. 3 USB charging sockets, blackout windows, overcap storage, Victron electrical system.
Oh,
Rather than boring you, shall we just go and have a look in the van?
it's going to have a look.
Okay.
It's a real off-grid van, isn't it?
Hey,
It's a real off-grid van.
isn't it just?
Yeah.
Reversing camera at the back, Kev.
Yep.
Wheel.
Wheel on the back. Yeah.
Yeah.
Always good to have a spare, isn't it? Hook up.
Hook up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just dive in, eh? Let's dive in and have a look what we've got here. Oh, Kev. Kev.
Is it-
Kev.
Are you impressed?
This is going to shock you. Are you ready? Come and have a look at this.
Oh, like that. Look, you've got a handle from each one. Get it. Oh, this is different.
Isn't it?
Ah. You know when I said they're usually race vans?
Yeah.
This is like a race. This is like a
Last
race.
can.
Eh?
Hey, this is
What's
different,
that?
isn't it?
What was that?
That's the pump. I just heard the pump going.
Oh, what was in that aerosol?
Oh, blast can air freshener and sanitizer.
Oh,
Toughest odours. Get rid of you, that will. Can't fold the bed, Kev.
extract fan.
Yeah. We need to switch the thing on, don't we? What's this? Wolf Shield. Okay, okay. My goodness. Liking the wood.
Yeah.
Liking the wood. What have we got under here? Okay, storage.
Yeah.
I've just spotted something else, Kev. Toilet.
Porta potty.
Porta potty. Yeah.
Combined oven grill.
Yeah. 3 burner hob.
Compressor fridge. Yeah.
Compressor fridge.
There's
You'd
our...
have expected a big fridge, wouldn't you?
Oh, look at that for a sink.
My goodness, here, I'll be able to do that up.
You could have a bath in that.
Oh, yeah, look at that for taps as well.
Yeah, that is a sink, isn't it?
Isn't it just? Look at that one.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that, Kev.
Hey, you got... Look, now that is a lifty-uppy thing there, isn't it?
Is that the world's biggest lifty uppy?
World's biggest lifty-uppy thing.
Oh, must go in there, mustn't it?
Yeah,
Trap
and
it.
then that goes underneath it to hold it up.
Okay, okay.
Very well thought out.
Oh, jeez, that's got the world's biggest magnet on. As well.
I mean, it is a home-built van, isn't it?
What do you do?
That's it, is, yeah.
Yeah, storage underneath.
Storage up here.
Where are you going?
Storage up there.
Okay.
Nice little table there.
Storage in here as well.
That's a big bed, isn't it?
That is a big bed, Kev. The size of that. I can't get any lights on. Oh, hang on. Oh no, I thought they were buttons. Does this work?
You've got no power on, have you?
Yeah, I don't know though, do I? I don't know where the power is. Ah, that's shut you up. Look at that.
Oh, it opens as
It
well.
opens by itself. Look. Well, I could play with that all day long, Kev.
I'll tell you what, you might suck us out the roof. Right, new battery.
New battery. Battery full.
Yeah.
I don't know what we can do with these lights. I can't work out how to switch them on.
I found this.
Go on, I'll let you take credit because you found it. Oh, hang on. So, can you dim them and all that lot? Right, let's knock them off again.
Hang on. Is that different?
Yeah, it's dim and light. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Right, so you got, yeah, look. That's your on off.
There you go. Everything's off.
Back on. Yeah.
Back on.
And then, oh, on a sliding scale, you can go brighter.
There you go. Right.
Dimmer. It's good, isn't it?
Batman.
Dimmer. Right, so that's that one.
Right, we're sorted there. I've just
there.
spotted there's one down there.
Right.
We'll do that when we get around there.
So that goes up there, that lives up
So you've got the compressor fridge. Spacious, isn't it?
Just little table there.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got a swivelly seat there as well.
Swivelly seat.
Yeah.
Did I notice?
I think the trim was on.
Oh no, that was a toilet. We've already done that, haven't we?
Yeah.
Big
Big sink.
Yeah, we've done all that, Kev. We've done all
It's
that.
either a big sink or
Oh, we were playing with this, weren't we?
It's either a big sink or a small bath, that.
Yeah, so you switch that on there, look. It goes all by itself.
Yeah, look, a little handle behind you there. You can wind it up manually if you just want that.
Switch it off again. Look. You can have in or out on it as well. A bit more storage down here, Kev.
Ah, I thought they got it.
Yeah. Oh, hang on, what's that plug? There's a plug there. Okay.
Put that back in the sink.
We need to prepare a little bit more on our planning meeting, don't we?
We do, yeah.
Let's go and have a look at the back end.
Yep.
I think it's... Oh, look, you're missing other things here as well.
What's that?
That's quite... I like that.
Yeah.
Making use of the space.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah, another little one there as well.
Right. Oh, have you done the cab? Come on, cab's Kev. Cab's Kev. I mean, Kev's cab.
It's your typical VW cab, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got the media pack there, yeah. Device now. Oh, we got a little hula girl, look.
Look at that.
Eh? Little hula girl.
You've got media pack
nice
on,
seats.
sound,
Yeah.
put your phone on and everything.
Yeah.
No sat nav, is it?
No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're happy with that. Let's go have a look at the back. Certainly spacious, isn't it?
Yeah. We've got the... Yep, there's your AdBlue.
Why is it called AdBlue?
Because you added blue to it. I don't know, it's not even blue either, is it?
Well,
It's white.
my goodness. What have we got here, Kev? Oh my goodness.
Storage.
What's in here? Oh, cushions.
Cushions.
Things, okay. Oh,
Mind you don't bang your head.
what's that there? Is that an outside shower?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, there's all your...
Oh my goodness, look at this lot, Kev.
There's all your power.
We come round for you. Jeepers Creepers, so we've got an isolator there. We've got the 230. We've got the DC to DC charger. We've got what the heck's that? Is that inverter? Yeah, inverter. We're getting a smart charge controller. Victron Energy. It's got all the kit. And there's your batteries there. My goodness. Some kit there, Kevin, there.
Got lithiums as well, isn't it? Lithium batteries, there's a few bob, you know.
Yeah.
Couple of grand.
So that slots in up there.
Got another storage box there.
What, here?
No, no. Is that another storage? Right?
Oh no, that is, yeah. That's another storage.
Yeah.
And then we've got entrance there.
Yeah, you can get through from inside the house.
Yeah. And then what have we got this side? More storage. We've got chocks. That's pipe work in there, Kev.
Yeah.
There's the whatever that is, 230 by the looks of it.
Yeah. Trip switch.
Trip switch.
LCD.
Yeah. Do you know what I haven't found yet?
What?
The heating system.
Oh, right, yeah.
Where was the flue on it?
Flue's around there, isn't it? Flue's there. Probably access it from inside, can you?
Right, okay. Let's go inside and have a look then, Kev.
Yep.
There's your other one. So that, I think, is doing them lights, isn't it? Oh, didn't see once. Okay.
Right, there must be another switch somewhere for them lights.
Yeah, it's got to be.
That one's for when you got in bed so you could turn lights off, isn't it?
Yeah. So,
we've got two 40-volt sockets down there. 12-volt down there.
yeah, the heating system's going to be under here, Kev.
Yeah.
But,
Have you had a look through that cupboard there?
I just want to draw,
Oh, right.
basically.
Is that a light switch up there, Jace?
No, it's thermostat
Thermostat sensor.
sensor on there.
Oh, yeah, there.
Oh, the touch?
Touch, yeah.
Yours is, mine isn't.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah, I wasn't touching them on the edge, was I?
No.
On the metal.
Yeah, so we suss that out. Turn them off then. Yeah.
Just knock it off, Kev.
You found the switch for the heating yet?
Yeah,
I found the light.
nice little chill out,
It is,
isn't
isn't
it?
it? Yeah.
I'll have a look up here. Oh, there you go. Oh, look, here's your Victron Energies. Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
Check that out.
Yeah.
So all your jeepers, creepers,
A few bobs worth of kit there,
isn't it? Yeah. There's your Truman system.
Yeah.
I'll just check that, Kev. Yeah, it's definitely heating and also... Yeah, it's both, mate.
Yeah.
Well, if you have that back, I'm going to just... Oh, this is comfy.
Any excuse
Check about anything on there. These are storage, Kev.
any excuse for a lie down, isn't it? Eh?
Hey, how dare you?
Got a nice skylight there at the back as well.
Fair bit of kit there, isn't there?
Yeah.
That's quite impressive, actually.
With anything of a price on this?
I haven't got a clue. You'll have to check the website out. Give us an idea in the comments, actually, what you think the price of this van is. Yeah, storage there, Kev.
2017, isn't it?
2017, yeah. And then we've got this big skylight there as well.
You know what it reminds me of with the ceilings and that? Narrowboat.
Oh yeah, it does,
Doesn't
doesn't it? Yeah. Or a sauna. One of the two. Oh, we get off there. See that? Like a panther, wasn't it? Can you imagine that?
Heaviest footed panther I've heard in my life. It's like when you watch these soaps.
Oh, he's off, he's off.
When you watch the soaps on telly, yeah,
Yeah.
especially Coronation Street, they live in flats, right, and they're there talking, and then and then somebody walks through the door. They stood outside like that doing that first. They must be the most heavy-footed people in the world.
Oh, okay. I've never known so much drama going on in the street.
I know.
Nothing like that happens in my street.
Yeah. I wouldn't like to live in that midsummer, that village there. Eh?
You would?
I definitely won't holiday in the
Emmerdale?
in the Caribbean.
Why?
Death in Paradise.
What's that?
That's St Mary, the island in the Caribbean.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Somebody's murdered every time you turn it on.
They aren't.
There can't be many left on that island there.
I bet there's been 52 murders on there. It's on every week.
Yeah.
And I tell you what, I don't understand. On EastEnders, they haven't put speed bumps outside that pub. The amount of people have been knocked over.
Yeah.
Or even the speed camera.
I don't watch that EastEnders.
I don't watch any of them.
All they do is shout.
I don't watch any of them.
Yeah.
But now...
I tell you, you can tell it's sunshiny. Look all the little gnats flying about. See 'em.
Oh yeah. Nature's waking up, Kev.
Yeah.
Nature's
They'll be
waking
cleaning
up.
its swimming pool here in a bit, won't they?
Such as everybody's waking up now to go out camping and caravanning and whatever they want to do. Now let's go back to this van. Definitely a 2-berth.
Yeah.
Definitely for 2 people, and it's definitely a van you can spend a lot of time in, because you've got when all's said and done, there's a great double bed there.
Yeah.
Really good. We've got the compressor fridge. We've got all the kit needed to go off grid.
Combined oven grill.
Yeah. Great sink. We've got the heating. Where are you going now?
We've only got that one swivel seat, haven't we? Yeah. Or does the other one swivel? Can't tell. But that's, yeah, definitely
I think
got
it
swivel
does,
seat.
Kev.
Yeah.
I think it does, you know.
Yeah.
On your drink's going to fall out.
No, because that falls down, doesn't it? That,
I showed everybody.
the back of that seat falls down. Sure it does.
The drinks will fall out like that.
I know they will. It falls down somehow.
Oh, okay. So definitely for 2 people.
Yeah.
You can spend a lot of time in it. It's quite comfy actually sitting on here. Let us know what you think the price of it is. We've given all the stats on it
Have
and
we got an
everything.
awning on it?
Have we got?
No, I don't think we have we?
No, there's no warning on it, Kev. I said I mentioned it in the video.
Oh, right.
So there you go. We've got quite a big. I keep calling this a Mercedes, you know. I don't know why. It gets a feeling it's a Mercedes, doesn't it?
Yeah, he said to me, right, we'll go and video that
I've
Mercedes.
said it about 5 or 6 times. So if you enjoyed the video, I'll like and subscribe. We'll give you something a little bit different and a different take on a camper van.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's loads of storage, loads of room, loads of everything really. You can go anywhere, and that's especially with the amount of kit you've got on. So let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Okay.
Okay.